I learned a lot about, what's going on at the forefront of supply chain transformation. I thought some of the speakers were very interesting in terms of talking about change management.
The journey people are taking to implement a new tool and how to face the challenges of today. It's interesting to see that everybody's facing the same challenges. Doesn't matter which company you're from, the size of it.
I was very impressed by the session with Bart about Alien and how they successfully managed the integration between the consumer divisions of 3 brands into one.
It's been really interesting to exchange ideas on how do we ask better questions, how do we measure the right things.
In the transformation, you need to get the business involved early. In change management, you need to get the operators involved early.
Every successful transformation will combine systems, technology, and people. And people becomes like a prerequisite.
Yeah, I think that's the most important, is to start with the people. And that's what we heard throughout today.
Transformation is not about tools. The organization need to be adjusted in order to deliver the value.
You just need to be able to adjust to new circumstances and to new rules in the business to survive.